Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can set up the payment method for Upwork. So do kindly watch the video till the end in order to get it properly. First of all, head to your Upwork, and once you are at the dashboard, click on the profile icon in the top left corner and go to settings. So once you are in settings, in billing you will find billing and payments, so just click on it. And from here you can easily set up a billing method. Just click on add a new billing method. Now either you can add your PayPal or you can add your credit card or debit card or any MasterCard you have. So just click on payment cards. Once it will loaded, it will allow you to add your card. To just simply substitute all the information, and after that your card will be added to your Upwork account. So this is basically how you can set up a payment method over on Upwork. So all for today's video guys, make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.